Welcome to Da Nang. And what is going on in here? Antung 32, a huge construction site everywhere. Yeah, might be very loud if you stay in here. Since there are no hotels, it would be only if you stay in an apartment for longer. The HB, what I reviewed one time, should be fine. It's not that far, but still. And look at this weirdly shaped apartment thing. The top. It's very interesting. But you see this? There are so many apartments here. If you just walk around, you just see the restaurants. But then, look up and you will see the apartments. Hey Jim! How you doing, mate? So, yeah, I'm gonna walk to the beach and see how bad the weather is there. How the ocean is. My brain doesn't even work properly anymore because it's cold and gray. But I think in 2 days it's gone. But you know where you're gonna get an update? On this channel. So don't forget to subscribe already. And like this video. What is this? A little car park here? Oh, so if you stay at the Tayan or Tayo, you can park your car over here. Since they don't have a proper car parking, I think. I mean, they have a parking over there, but most likely only for scooters. Tayan apartment. What is this building, guys? Looks so government, right? Or what does it mean? Is it like an office or something? We're gonna walk here through the little alleyways here. I'm not sure when this building will be finished. I think when I came to Da Nang the first time, it was exactly like this. They have a beautiful pool upstairs, I think, and that's done. I'm not sure why this is not getting finished. And if the developer went broke, I don't know, maybe the government should just auction it to another company. Not sure what the issue is, but it's just like a big, ugly block in a very important area of the Antung area. And if you want to make the tourist town look nice and presentable, this block is pretty ugly. But this here is a beautiful view, especially at night. I absolutely love it. The Rosamir, this lights up everything. Amazing. But yeah, let's check out the beach. Oh, let's check out, actually, let's do another Nightmarket update. Maybe they're finished with more locations there. This is the Nightmarket. The first doors are open. So it's the official Antung Nightmarket. And I think, yeah, it's definitely more developed than before. I think we're getting there. I think it's not that much time anymore. Maybe some weeks. I think maybe May 1st could be the perfect time. I think May 1st is also the start to the season, right? Look at this. They have a stage now here and more little stands. And the beer place, the German one, is getting ready. But I highly doubt this is beer from Germany. But what is this? What is this here? Look at that. I don't understand what this is. Is it a bar? I don't understand. Or is it just art? Huh. Okay. So something was opened because we have flowers here. If you see the flowers, some business was opened. I'm not sure which one. Maybe this one, maybe the stage. I'm not sure. We will see. But I'm excited. I think it's gonna be done soon. And maybe they should also paint this rusty. I've got a subscriber. Shout out to you, Mike. He's actually that tall. It might be difficult for him. It's not really cold anymore, but it's like, yeah, it is annoying. It is annoying, but it is what it is. Enjoy the last days of cold weather, or it will be hot non-stop. Hopefully. It was a weird year in all Asian countries, right? There were so many floodings, so many tropical rainstorms in Thailand as well, when there should not have been any. But yeah, the ocean looks wild. But I can see a lot of fishermen in there. Not sure what exactly they're fishing out. Maybe, I don't know which seafood they're pulling out, but they're doing something. They're here with their motorbikes on the beach. And pulling out something with some metal rods. Huh. They also have water bottles here. So I'm wondering, what are they doing? Maybe some snails or something? I'm not sure. Huh. A lonely surfer is running around. Some people looking out for valuables on the beach here. The lights turn on slowly. Yeah. I can already see this beach being absolutely packed when it's warm again. Just in 3-4 days. Lots of tour groups here as well. What is in these bottles? Dear Da Nang locals, what are they doing? What is in the bottles? I don't understand. Is it like super mini creatures? I don't know. Very interesting. The good thing what you can do here with this bad of a weather, you can go out with the lads and drink. Because that is nicer if you are drinking when it's cooler. If it's too hot, if you're sweating too much, it's not that nice. In the evening at least. But a nice cold beer in the heat, but it's looking depressing. Look at how empty it is. It's sunset time now. Sunset time, no one is here. I also did a hotel review today on my main channel about 3 $10 hotel rooms. My God. I really don't like to do this, but you gotta watch that. One hotel had a ancient safety box. I never seen before something like this. Absolutely crazy. But yeah. $10 hotel rooms are still available, but I would not recommend them. Besides of the one, Soko, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. For $10, I think it's even good for the location and everything. But yeah, I would definitely always look out for a good, if you're just here for a vacation, go to the M Hotel. Or if you want a balcony, go to the TMS. And actually, some of those beachfront hotels are still $30 to $50. Can you imagine? $30 to $50 on the beachfront. So you should definitely check my video out about that, because it's like they have some of them that just look super ugly outside, but they're actually nice inside. It's very interesting. It's getting dark. Even there's no one. My God. Everyone is wearing like a hoodie, like me, and shorts. Some announcements through the speakers here. The Rosa Mia, the construction site between Rosa Mia and Haiyan, I don't think they started it yet, so I never see anything going on in there. So I think you're still safe to come here. But like, you never know, right? You never know. If they start, they're gonna start hard. I will go to Hoi An soon. I think maybe this weekend. And we'll definitely do some hotel reviews there and some walking tours as well. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is so nasty. Not sure where I should do my next walk. Comment below now. Where should I do the next walk tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below. I will go there and do some walks there. Maybe 3 in a row or something. But yeah, it still looks very nice in here. The noodle bar on the beach. Pretty affordable. You can get noodles for less than $4 on the beach. With this weather, it's actually good. I think if it's too hot, it will be an issue. But yeah, we are here at the Paradise Beach Bar. Even that is empty. Insane. It's like a ghost town now here. A ghost beach. Crazy. Just because of this wind. It's not that cold. The beach is getting a little bit wider. That's a very good sign here. A very good sign. That's good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like so this weather can be better. And check out this video. See you in the next one.